Beginning of part 3. Due to excessive poaching and hunting, many animals in these forests are in danger of becoming extinct. Okay, huntings are going on very these are very crucial species, what to say, these are very unique nature's gift which should be taken care by mankind, but due to our greed we are killing them, hunting them, so poaching them. So due to this, these animals and birds are becoming extinct. The people of DRC kill many animals for their meat called bushmeat. What is bushmeat? The people of DRC kill many animals for their meat called bushmeat. To protect and conserve wild animals, the government of DRC has set up many wildlife reserves and national parks. So, in order to safeguard these wild animals, wildlife reserves and national parks have been set up. Now, people of life of people. How is the life of people? The Democratic Republic of Congo is thinly populated, not thickly, thinly, very less populated. Most of the people live in villages. Only about one third of the population lives in towns and cities. Only one third lives in towns and cities. Most of the people lives in villages. A large number of tribes live here. The Bantus is the largest tribe. Question may come, which is the largest tribe? You will write Bantu, Bantu. They speaks Bantu language. They are tall and heavy, have curly hair. They are tall and have curly hair. They are fond of music and dance. The Bantu tribe people are fond of music and dance. They follow traditional lifestyle and wear colorful dresses. They mostly live in villages which are located along rivers or near mines. Another group of tribal people are also called as pygmies, live in deep forests. Bantus live in villages and pygmies tribe live in the forest. These people are short in height, less than 5 feet. They live mostly in Ituri forest. Okay, pygmies tribe, tribal people known as pygmy live in Ituri forest in the northeast. They still have a primitive life and move from place to place in such a food. They still have a primitive lifestyle, very basic lifestyle. They've moved from one part of the jungle to another part in search of food. Now, occupation. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in the Democratic of Republic of Congo. Due to thick forest, the thick forests are cut or burnt to clear the land for farming. The main food crops grown here are cassava, rice, and maize. Now, what is cassava? Cassava is a staple food, is a main food, is a basic food of people. Its roots are dried, means their roots are dried. The cassava, you can see a cassava plant, you can see below the roots. These roots are dried and grounded into flour. These roots are dried and grounded into flour for making bread. First these roots are dried and then they crush into the flour, and this flour we make bread. They make bread. The main cash crops grown here include coffee, cocoa, rubber, tobacco, and palm. Cash crops are mainly exported to Europe and North America. Cash crops are like, for example, coffee, cocoa, rubber, tobacco, and palms are exported to Europe and North America. Fishing. Fishing are also the main part of their lifestyle. Okay, and with this we end the chapter of Democratic Republic of Congo, and last page of this is keywords. River basin means the land where water flows across or under on its ways to a river. Canopy means cover formed by the top of trees. Bushmeat, meat of wild animals. Staple food, food that people commonly eat in a region. Official language, language that is used in official activities. So let's recap. The Democratic Republic of Congo is located in Central Africa. It is the second largest country of Africa in terms of area. The river Congo is the second longest river in Africa after river Nile. The climate of the Democratic Republic of Congo is hot and wet. Most part of the Democratic Republic of Congo is covered with dense rainforest. Due to the presence of dense forest, a wide variety of wild animals are found here. Agriculture is the main occupation of people in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Kinshasa, Kinshasa is the capital of the DRC. The question will come from recaps also. Please for read the recap and all the keywords. You all leave it. Don't leave it. Kinshasa, 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 children. Kinshasa is the capital of DRC. With this, we end the chapter Democratic Republic of Congo. Thank you.